Hello and welcome. So in today's video, what we want to do is we want to look at how to use Astra Starter themes or Astra Starter templates in order to jumpstart our WordPress development process. Essentially, we're going to use a plugin that is complementary to the Astra WordPress theme, which allows us to get up and running with a structure for our site and content that looks really pretty good. So if you're interested, let's get started. All right, so the example that we're going to be using today is our own website called colearnable. And if you go to colearnable now, it's just a basic install of a WordPress site, so nothing to write home about. What we're going to want to do is we're going to actually log into our WordPress panel here, and first we're going to have to make sure that we have the Astra theme installed. In order to do that, we're going to go to Appearance and Themes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Add New Theme here. And we're going to go ahead and add Astra. So ASTRA, hit enter. It's this one here, Astra, not Astral. We'll go to install. Once it's installed, we're going to go ahead and activate it. And if we go to colearnable.org, you notice it sort of still looks the same, which is not 100% great. What we're going to want to do instead is we're going to want to go ahead and add a plugin. And the way that we can do that is by going to plugins and we'll go to add new. We'll go to Astra Starter and hit enter in order to search for that. And you'll see this starter templates by a company or an organization called Brainforce. That's what we're going to want to install. Once you've installed that, you also want to activate that plugin. And I'll bring over an example sort of what this Astra Starter plugin or this Astra Starter templates, they're going to offer us different themes sort of like this. So you can go to wp-astra/ready website, or you can search for Astra Starter themes or starter template, and it should give you the results that you're going to want. Now, once we've gone ahead and activated this plugin, what we're going to need to do is choose what's called a page builder. It's essentially a tool that will allow us to assemble our WordPress pages. I like using Elementor, but if you're interested in learning more about any of these, I would suggest you Google it or Bing it or Baidu it or whatever you want to do. So we'll double click on Elementor. Essentially what's going on now behind the scenes is it's installing the Elementor plugin and any associated plugins, but we don't have to worry about that. It's just going to bring us to this page here, and it's going to show the different templates that we can use. Now, there is a distinction. This is agency, and if there's no little agency icon there, it basically means it's free. So there's a difference between free and paid. Agency means that it's paid. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and we'll look at these different ones. We're sort of think about what type of firm we're going to create or what kind of website we're going to want and sort of what ones might meet that. We can also, up here, we can click here to change the different type of page builder, or we can go here and we can select free. I kind of like this idea of the natural parks. So if you're interested on one, you can click that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose between importing the home page or the complete site. So you can notice here that this template has a home page, an about page, a services page, a project page, a contact page. You can also preview it with your content, but generally what I like to do is I like to just import the complete site. Now this can take a minute, so we will edit this after we're done recording, but we're going to choose whether or not we want to leave all these boxes checked. I would generally. And if you have previous content, you can go ahead and click this box, which basically means it's going to wipe your site. So if you have existing content, you might not want that box selected. Now you can see it's adding all of the additional plugins. So perhaps I misspoke earlier, where earlier it was not actually installing the Elementor plugin. It's sort of doing that now. All right, then you'll get a message whether or not it's imported successfully, and then you can click this little button here, which goes to View Site. And you'll notice that before it looked like this, and now it looks like this. So it's really gone ahead and added all of those additional features. If you want to customize or edit a specific page, you can go to Edit with Elementor, and you can click that. And this would allow us to edit everything like the text. So we could say, welcome to colearnable. Probably have to spell it right, or we could change the background image by clicking this button here and then going to Style, go to Background Image. We could pick one, or we could upload one. This is kind of cool. We'll go to Save and Insert. All right, so that's it. In this video, what we wanted to do is we wanted to learn how to use the Astra Starter Templates, and we did that by basically making sure that we had the Astra theme installed on our WordPress website, and then we went to plugins. We added a new plugin. So we went here. We typed in Astra Starter. We installed and activate this theme, and then we went ahead and chose a starter theme. If you ever want to get back to that place where you can choose the starter themes, you would go to Appearance and then Starter Templates here, and you would have the ability to change the specific starter template that you are using. All right, so that's a wrap. If you have any comments or suggestions, please add them in the comment section below. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.